Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app and Alipay. And in today's video, I will show you on how to quickly access your Taobao Chinese shopping app with Alipay without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay. After you open up your Alipay, next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. Then go ahead and type in Taobao and hit on search. Then go ahead and click on the first result right here. Now you are here in your Taobao in Alipay. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on add to home. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on done. It's that simple. Then you can go back to the Alipay homepage, continue to go back. Then here we go. Now you have your Taobao right here. You can easily access Taobao from the point right here. It's that simple. So for you to access your Taobao, simply tap on here once you open up your Alipay and automatically it takes you to your Taobao app right here. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use Taobao and Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.